Hi everyone. So I thought I will do a tutorial about my planner because I haven't made yet one. So this is going to be the landing page when you open the PDF document in the GoodNotes application. You can download it from Apple Store. That is what I use because I use it on my iPad, but you can use it on any kind of application where you can open a PDF and you don't have to write by hand. I write by hand because I use my Apple Pencil, but you can type text in it. Okay, so let's go on. This is how it looks. It has, because I used it also for the last year in 2019, and that is why it has the calendar. This is 2020 and 2021. After that, this is the main page. On the left, we find two yearly pixel calendars. One is for, if you increase it, you can see. One is for the time or the word count of your manuscript. If you are revising or editing, you put here the amount, let's say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. And you choose a color for each kind of time, and you color the given date with that color. And the second one is for your mood. What mood did you have that day? You can choose anger, sad, dissatisfied, accomplished, grateful, or any kind of emotion or mood you want to. And you choose for each of them a color, and then you can color this one too. So let's go back a little bit. Here is the main page. Here you can write your name, and up you have 12 months, and on the right there are tags for daily spreads, your favorite writing things, your finance, and your projects, and the books you read. Here it is a weekly preview spread, a weekly spread. Let's click. First of all, I will show everything. First of all, if you let's choose January, you click on the one, and here it is a monthly spread, and you can write the month, the year, and the dates. It is undated, so you can use it any year. But if you don't want the month to start with Monday, then you can make your own digital stickers or buy from Etsy, or my favorite store is bohoberry.com, and you can download from there and just clip the days on these given days, and you can start with Sunday. If you click on front page, you will go back to this main page. If you choose weekly here, then this is the weekly spread. I mostly use it for planning out Instagram or things like that, social media, because only on social media I want to upload daily or things like that. And I usually use the monthly spreads for the writing and the weekly for social media. That is why here it is a little bit of tracking, and you can track which day you published on those social medias. If you go back and choose the monthly review, this is a monthly review of your writing, where you can fill out how many words did you write, or how much time did you spend on revising, editing, or any kind of writing. Best memory of your writing that month, worst memory, what were the hardships, biggest achievement, what are you waiting for, what are you working on, and what needs development in your writing. Choosing a word for that month, what described best the month, and here you can journal if you wish a few sentences. What did you accomplish, or anything? What were your emotions? What did you feel, and things like that. And down you can grade that month regarding your writing. Going back, here if you click, then you can track how many subscriptions do you have on given social media, how many views or time did they give, likes, comments, and things like that. And on the other page, on the right page, you can plan out your topic for that week of your newsletter. But this spread can be used weekly, monthly, or as how often you wish to, because I will show how to make it in just a second. But every spread, it is found here only once. So you don't have all the pages, because you can personalize it as you wish. And here, if you have a blog, you plan out the topics. Okay, going back. Here I just made a few pages for the hashtags that you usually use on Twitter or Instagram, so that you have a list and you don't have to always wonder what kind of hashtags should I use. Here you can make and write down all the hashtags that are relevant to your given post. Okay, I won't click here because here it is a message for those who purchase my planner. And here is a vision board. Here you can put pictures, draw, write, or whatever will make your heart and soul sing. Okay, here down are 4 kind of pages. Dotted pages, you see. I didn't want to make them darker so that it's not disturbing when you close in, because usually when you write or do something, you close in and it is visible. Here it is lined pages. Here are squared pages, and here are blank pages for for drawing or making a character, choosing photos, making aesthetics, or what you want to do with the blank pages. Okay, so let's go on. On the right there are a few tabs. The daily pages look like this. Here is day. You write the date, the task you did or you wanted to do, the progress of your current project that you worked that day. Let's say if you are on the first draft and you are midway, you fill it out with 50%. Here is another time, the word count or the time. How did you feel while doing that? What was the reward? And I included hydration because drinking water or any kind of liquid is very important to be productive. And here is I am grateful, self-care and self-love. Every day, even if you didn't achieve your goals, you should do self-care even if it is a minor one, like going out and watching the sunrise or the yeah. And self-love, what makes you feel loved? Because self-love and self-care are very important. And here it is a little space where you can journal if you wish to, writing down how did you feel that day. And yeah, so here are a few pages with your favorites and essentials, like top writing books, indie books, fiction books, non-fiction books. Here you can put the pictures, top authors, author tubers, preptober tools, none of remote tools, self-care tools, rewards, motivation, top writing advice, and the love. Here you can write what can you do so that you show yourself love. And here is a blank one so that you can make your own with your own favorites. Here are the finance pages, income and expenses, so that you can know and track what did you pay for during your writing journey and what costed a given amount. And yeah, and here are the project pages, which are the project name, the title of your book or the working title, how far you are in, what is your word count or time target, starting date, ending date, short synopsis, major plot points, important characters, and cover concept. These pages are not, I am stressing this out because it's important, are not for planning. These pages are only for tracking. So when you look back, you can find what were you working on a given month, a given year, or a given period. These are only the bare bones of your book. So it's not for planning. The last tab is the books. Here you have pages for the book reviews for yourself, so that you know what did you feel, what did you like, what didn't you like about a book. Title, author, the stars, date started and ending. Here are plus, minus, what did you like, what didn't you like, and overall. So this is the structure of the planner. If you download GoodNotes 5, then this is how it will look. This is right now I am on my phone. So if you use the iPad, it will look differently. But the most important is that you click on these 4 squares and you have all the pages that are in the planner. Right now there are only 45 pages because you will structure it as you wish. Let's choose, let's say, the weekly review, the weekly spread. Here we are on the weekly spread. Okay, where are you? Yes. Oh no, it is different from the Let's just choose the daily. Here is that this is the 20th page. It is a daily spread. You choose, and you choose duplicate. And if you duplicate it, then here on the 21st page will be the same daily spread. And you can hold your finger on it and move it wherever you want to. And that is how you do the months. If you go to the front page here and you go to a month, then it will follow the next month. But you can copy and duplicate the weekly layout and put it after the monthly spreads. And that way you will have an entire planner fully personalized by you. I could have made it